Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps on how to recover Monopoly Go account. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Step 1. Open the Monopoly Go app on your device. Step 2. Once the app is open, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to access the menu, and then select Settings. Step 3. In the Settings menu, tap on Customer Service. Note that you can only recover an account connected to Facebook or Gmail. Step 4. Tap on Account at the bottom of the screen and then select Chat with us. Step 5. In the message field, type I want to recover my account and explain the issue you're experiencing. The customer service team will provide you with instructions to help recover your account. And that's how you can simply recover a Monopoly Go account. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.